Introducing modern-day mechanical value creation. This type of mechanical system has been used in Japan for all kinds of devices since ancient times. This delicately complex self-righting clock was developed with a total of 3,269 interconnecting parts. To increase its durability, duralumin, one of the earliest types of aluminum, is used for reinforcement. A low-noise mechanical governor adjusts the motions that control the writing. It autonomously controls movement speed, including rotations. What decides the pen's movements is controlled using a number of cam mechanisms. The cams join together to display full numbers on the clock. This power transmission unit allows it to operate for extended periods of time. An escapement mechanism is the heart of any clock or mechanical device. An anchor escapement, such as a pendulum, allows a clock to keep accurate and even control of time.
今のそのものづくりとかがどんどんテクノロジーっていうのが進歩していけばいくほど逆にそのローテクのからくりっていう魅力がどんどん上がっていくんじゃないのかなっていうふうに感じています。
Kongo Suzuki, the creator of these mechanisms, is deeply involved in visualizing new and exciting ways to show off their appeal. For even more innovative technology, hop on over to our channel. If you liked this video, consider liking, leaving a comment, and subscribing. Thank you for watching.